Hey, I want to talk about Mary Kay skincare. And I just firmly believe that the basis to a good look is good skincare. Because you can have the best painting in the world, and if you're starting on a lousy canvas, you're not getting the prime look that you're going for. Same with skincare. So Mary Kay has 6 skincare lines. I'm going to concentrate on their 2 anti-aging skincare lines. Mary Kay's Meat and Potatoes is their miracle set. It comes packaged like this. And what it has is a cleanser. It comes in 2 formulas, by the way, one for normal to dry, one for combination to oily. And the first step is a cleanser. It's a cleanser. It's a exfoliant. There's little beads in there that are gentle enough to use morning and night. And it brightens your skin. So it does 4 things. So the 4-in-1 cleanser. And then there are 2 moisturizers, one for the day, one for the night. I love that you can see the difference. They're the same shape, but they're different colors, so you don't have to put your glasses on to actually see the difference. The difference between a day cream and a night cream is monumental. The day cream protects you against bacteria during the day, and it also has sunscreen, and if you're allergic to sunscreen, we do have a formula without it. And nighttime is designed to rebuild your cells as you sleep. So that is the big difference in the purpose. They both hydrate, of course. Now, the skin around your eyes is very different than this kind of skin right here. If you went and felt right here versus right here, you're going to see this is a lot more delicate. And this area is different kind of skin, so it's a different formula. I advise you to put your eye cream on before your moisturizer because your eye area is only going to take so much. So let's get the right stuff on it, okay? So that is your miracle set. And that set is geared for women between 20 and 50. Now, I will recommend this to clients who are over 50 if they're a soap and water girl, because the price of the Timewise is half of the price of the next set I'm going to talk about. And if you're doing nothing, then you're going to see a difference with the Timewise set. So that's what that's how I differentiate. Now, if you're over 50 and you have normal to dry skin, which most women do as they get older, then I recommend the Timewise Repair Set. That is the set that I use. And after I was using it for 8 weeks, my daughter came home and was looking at me, and I said, "What?" She said, "Mom, I think you look younger." So, hey, that's great. I love this. Anyway, it looks like a present, right? Okay, so the first thing is the cleanser. Just like the Timewise, just a regular Timewise set has. It has a cleanser. And this one is very rich and emollient. And then the next thing is the lifting serum. Now, this is not in the Timewise set. And Mary Kay has many serums on their line, and this serum, when there's a comparison chart, does more than all of the others. So it really takes it to another level. Okay, again, we have a day and a night cream, and these have ingredients that are to target advanced stages of aging. And the day cream, of course, has your SPF in it, and the night cream has the most amount of retinol you need before you need a prescription. So this is a beautiful thing, and I adore the eye cream. This eye cream, actually, I adore both eye creams. I use this eye cream during the day because it's so nice and light and refreshing, and I use this one at night. It's richer. The thing I love about this, it's got, see that little tip right there? It is cold, and so it just depuffs your eyes as you're putting your eye cream on. It is just beautiful. All right, so the 2 sets for anti-aging are Timewise and Timewise Repair. If you have any questions, of course, that's what we're here for.